Hello fans! Today we're gonna look at this new quadcopter. This is a Simi drone. This is it says you can use it as a follow me drone, 8 megapixels camera and full HD camera. Selfies take flight. Okay, the company name Banggood sent me this one. It's the first time I'm gonna try a follow me drone, and this is very cheap also. It's about $80 inclusive shipping to Norway. Capture the moment. 360 panoramic video, burst picture photos, delay timer, easy access gallery. HD requires micro SD card. You have to buy the micro SD card. Okay. Instant social sharing, so you can share directly from the quadcopter. I like to edit videos. And you have fly with confidence. You have GPS stability for easy and fun flying. Okay. Auto takeoff landing, find me, follow me, return to me. Works with Apple and Android phones. Okay, cool. Comes in a solid, great package. Let's open. You have this magnetic box. Cool. Plastic protections, I think, in front. Okay, like this. And here we have the quadcopter. Ooh. Take off this. Protection. Okay. And of course we can just fold out these legs. Oh, not legs, but these arms. Yeah. Engines. Ooh. Like this. So it's like size is like this. Seems heavy. I think it will be stable in the air. Camera. Okay. And US you can charge this there. USB slot, and you have this micro SD slot. Yeah. Under you have this little power on switch. Okay. And green under and light in the front. Okay. Strong LED light in the front. Easy to see. Easy. Let's go deeper in the box. You have this user's guide. Spare propellers. You have this charger. Oh, it has not an EU socket in the box, so I cannot charge this directly from my wall. But I will use my cell phone charger or other with regular USB, micro USB charging. So that's it. That is cool. And this propeller savers. I never use them. So really like the box. Yeah. User's manual. Quick start. Is in English, color, how to fly, how to calibrate, how to read, how to use the application for on the phone. Yeah, great. But you guys, you have to read the manual. Yeah, I'm a guy and I almost never read manuals, and I have problems. Okay, let's charge up the quadcopter and test it indoor first. Before you can fly, you have to download the application. I use an Android phone, Huawei P10, and I'm gonna search for See Me Camera. And here we have this free application. Just install. Then you're gonna turn on this quadcopter. See me, like this. And the password is 123456778. Then open this application. Select location, Europe. Okay. So now we are ready to fly. I do not want to say anything about this application because you can read about it. So now I just want to try to fly my See Me quadcopter and test the video quality indoor. Okay, let's try. Okay, I think it is stable. I tried it indoor. I saved the video directly on my phone, so when I get outdoor, I'm gonna try to put in a micro SD card and try the full HD mode. And I of course gonna try the follow me function. Just push me and follow. And I hope it will work. Now indoor we have full signals of GPS. Yeah. Looking forward to try it outdoor and see if it can follow me. See Me follow me drone. it really works. Today is of course a little windy at Frya Airport in Norway. Always windy in the springs. You can look at the trees behind me. It's not much, but this light little drone, but the wind has little effect on this quadcopter. But you saw in the video that this will follow you, but it was a little hard to mark myself perfect, so I was not in the middle of the frame always. But when there is no wind there, and when I have tried this more, I'm going to use it in my regular RC Cut videos. So I really like this. It's cheap follow me drone, so you can flies the whole video. It was by itself, no steering. You can steer, but I did not. It worked great. Thank you, Banggood. I want to fly this more, I think.